Ladies and gentlemen, you know, people don't know this, but this is the newest member of our cast, Q. You can't really see him, but well, we won't reveal I'm a vapor to the people. But Q is here to let us know what's going on in the deep state. Do you have any other outrages?
I do.
Is there a condom story in there? I warned evil.
I think the CDC is outraged, and I think most Americans will be outraged by this. They're telling people to stop washing their condoms to reuse them, Eric.
What's a condom?
Condom.
Okay.
Sorry. Again, it's that British thing.
British thing. You don't have to overdo it, okay? I know
What
you're
the fuck was that?
No, a top of stuff. We've established this top of stone man.
Yeah.
Which is going to be imploded, I gather, on August 5th. So.
Yeah. Is there a big the Russian story on Facebook?
Yes.
You all have to go and be part of that whole thing. So here's the first question.
Yeah.
Is it proper to say condom or condom?
Whichever one.
Whichever
I think
suits
people
you.
know what
Jimmy
we'll say.
Can.
We'll go with the condom.